Hi, thanks for joining us today. We're in Abbots Bromley in Staffordshire. We've got a 4-mile circular walk down to Blithfield Reservoir and back. Got one or two special things to show you on the way, so hope you enjoy the walk with us. Right, the first thing I want to show you is inside this church. We're at St Nicholas Church, Abbots Bromley, and inside there's something very old and very special to the village. Let's go and see what it is. We're going to see these antlers from reindeer, possibly dating back to the 11th century. They think they came from Scandinavia, perhaps some Viking connection. There was no reindeer in Britain at the time, but these are reindeer antlers, and they are used in the Abbots Bromley horn dance. Right, they're going to be leaving the churchyard now onto the public footpath. We're actually on Goose Lane now, but what I've come to show you is this special little shopping centre. Make some homemade pies and other crafts. So we're here. It's an unusual door. You see the mouse poking his head out at the bottom of the door. My type of place, this. Full of very unknown spirits and beers. Well, this place is lovely. High Ash, it's called. I've spent some money. From over in the pie shop, I've got a steak pie for tonight's tea and some beer, which I've never heard of before. In the coffee shop here, they've got cakes to die for. High Ash, Abbots Bromley, well worth a visit. We are now at the bottom of the dam wall at the southern end of Blithfield Reservoir. This is where the River Blythe continues its journey once it's passed through the reservoir. Continue our walk alongside the river at the moment. Unfortunately, we couldn't get any closer to the reservoir. All private. Taking this walk back, and then we'll be turning across the field a bit later on. Abbots Bromley in the distance. I think I can taste my beer. I'm going to spend a little bit of money. Well, that's it from us. We've done our walk. Hope you've enjoyed it. 4-mile walk at Abbots Bromley, and we've got our tea, nice steak and ale pie. Now we're going in here for a beer. Look after yourselves and those you love, and do get out and do some walking. You'll enjoy it.